Good morning, I'm Gemma Bruce, Client Portfolio Manager on npower's Optimisation Desk. Welcome to today's market update on Thursday the 4th of August. So to summarise this morning, the gas system has opened undersupplied, and as a consequence we have seen the near curve open a touch firmer than last night's close, while further out prices are trading lower than the close, coming under pressure from slightly weaker oil prices following the rally we saw yesterday afternoon after the release of crude inventory data in the US. So if you have any questions, please do contact us on the displayed email address, or for more detailed information, continue to watch. So as I mentioned, the gas system has opened undersupplied this morning, with supply forecast to be around 143 MCM versus demand of 158 MCM, and this is as a result of lower flows into the St Fergus Shell terminal and also via the Langlead pipeline, which is currently flowing into the UK at around 11 MCM compared to 15 MCM that we saw at the open yesterday. We are, however, seeing less imports to the continent via the IUK pipeline today, which is currently exporting 27 MCM compared to the 33 MCM we saw at the open yesterday. On the power system, margins there are in line with where they were yesterday, with a peak forecast for period 19 this morning, with the margin of 15 gigs. We've seen wind forecasts lower than where they were yesterday, with wind likely to tail off to below 1 gig across the day, and in contrast we have seen solar forecasts pick up, with the peak being around 500 meg higher than it was yesterday, at around 5 gigs. As is normal, we've got gas-fired generation dominating the power stack today, making up around 43% of the stack, with both the French and Dutch interconnector forecast to import to the UK at full capacity across the peak. Elsewhere, we've seen Brent oil prices ease slightly this morning, trading around $43 per barrel currently, and this is following the rally we saw yesterday afternoon after US crude inventory data was released. The slight softening this morning has been attributed to the strengthening of the dollar against the basket of currencies overnight. This is making crude more expensive as it's traded in dollars, and therefore demand is lower, and hence we've seen the prices starting to ease. I've also seen the pound start to come under a little bit of pressure this morning ahead of the Bank of England's announcement on interest rates later today. It is widely anticipated that they may cut interest rates to a record low of 0.25%, which may see further declines in the currency if this is to happen. So if you have any questions, do contact us on the displayed email address. We'll see you at the same time again tomorrow. Have a great day.